Good afternoon guys. Today we will discuss numbers, whole numbers and integers. What are the numbers, what are the whole numbers and what are the integers? Numbers are all possible counts, means negative, positive, fractions, decimals, all are considered numbers like -1, +5, 1/2 and 2.5, so on. These all are numbers. Now what are the whole numbers? Whole numbers are just positive numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are called whole numbers. Now what are the integers? Integers are all positive and negative numbers. All positive and negative numbers. And like whole numbers, they don't include the fractions and decimals. Just positive and negative numbers. For an example, if it's a number line, 0, +1, +2, +3 and so on, and here it is -1, -2, -3 and so on. So these are all positive integers, or you can say whole numbers, and these are all negative integers. Exercise 2A, question number 1. In question number 1, they have given us a list of numbers. We have to make a list of different categories like positive integers, negative integers, same, positive numbers and negative numbers. So the first number is -0.3. It's a decimal one and a negative one. So decimal one and a negative one, it will lie in this category, -0.3. It's a negative number. Next is 1/5, 1/5. It's a fraction, not an integer. So it will lie under the head of positive numbers. Now next is 0. 0 is not a positive integer or a number, and not a negative integer or a number. So it will not be considered in these lists. Next is -5/7. It's again a negative number because it's a fraction. 4.33. It's a positive decimal number. 4.33. Next is -12. Yes, it's a negative integer and also a negative number. Next is 10,001. 10,001. It's a positive integer and also a positive number. Next is -1/2. It's a fraction and a negative number, so it will lie under the head of negative numbers. -2017 again, and 4. It's a positive integer and also a positive number. Thank you. Exercise 2A, basic level, question number 3. Fill in each box with greater than or less than. Exercise 2A, question number 3. Fill in the blanks with sign greater and lesser. Lesser means open side will call greater and closer side will call lesser or smaller. So fill in the blanks. Number 1, 16 and 60. Which one is greater? Both are positive numbers and positive integers. So 60 is obviously greater. Number 2, 3.1, 3.2. Both are numbers, positive numbers. 3.2 is greater. Number 3, -6 and 8. 8 is a positive number, positive integer. -6 is negative integer and a negative number. And definitely negative values are smaller than positive values. So this. Number 4, 30, 31. Both are positive numbers and integers, so 31 is greater than 30. Number 5, sorry, it's -31, so it would be -31. So it's a negative integer or a number, then positive number should be greater, so 30 is greater than -31. Number 5, -2 and 0. 0 is a number, is just a number, and -2 is negative integer and a negative number. So 0 is obviously greater than -2. Now number 6, 9.8 and -9.9. It's a negative number and it's a positive number. So positive number is greater than negative number. 9.8 is greater than -9.9. Exercise 2A, intermediate level, question number 7. Same like question number 3. Fill in each box with greater than or less than. Exercise 2A, question number 7. After question number 3, I am doing question number 7 from intermediate level because both are same. In question number 7, they are also asking us about greater than and lesser than. Number 1 is -4, -6. Both are negative integers or negative numbers. So -4 is greater than -6. Number 2, -11, -11.5. Again, negative number and a negative number. So -11 is greater than -11.5. If we see on the number line, it's 0. These are positive numbers. So, and these are negative numbers. As we see, -4 or -6, let's an example, -4 and -6. Here it is -4, which is more closer to 0. And this is -6, which is far away from 0. So -4 is greater. Same with -11 and -11.5. Number 3, 1/5, 1/3. So obviously 1/3 is greater than 1/5. Both are fractional numbers. Number 4, -1/3, -5/6. Both are negative fractional numbers. So -5/6 is greater than -1/3.